You know, so me I go marry this girl, yeah, man. Yeah, man. Real thing.
Fire King Productions.
Big up to Zimbabwe, in a large.
Conquering music.
Voice of the volcano trumpet, Jah humble servant, Q Shandaya, Q to the D. Baby.
Big up to love, emotion, redeem.
We're meant to be, can't you see? Baby, you and me, we've been through ups, we've been through downs, when we disagree. Baby, I apologize for the times I made you cry. So before you walk away, to you these words I say, I'm giving you my love. Giving you my love, giving you my love. You get all my love, my love. Giving you my love, giving you my love. You get all my love.
Woman, we can agree to disagree. Baby, me love you continually. I'ma never put you down, me treat you equally. Baby, you are the lyrics and the melody. Before you ever think of walking away, just know me love you from New York to Zimbabwe. Can't live without you for another day. So honey, can't you stay?
I'm giving you my
love.
Giving you my love, you get all my love. So many wanna see us apart, but baby you have my heart. You want it from the start. So no girl can take me where no girl can take me where. You a gem and you my queen, the mother of my child. You always make me smile, so never say goodbye. I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, giving you my love. You get all my love, giving you my love, giving you my love. You get all my love.
Some disappointments can be a blessing. Life is a test, learn from the lesson. Some disappointments come with a blessing. No need for stressing in this hard knock life.